Good morning students. In the previous class we were discussing the lesson number 4, that is bird of flying wonder, and in the previous class we were discussing about the nests, types of nests. Many kind of different kinds of birds are making their nests in different ways. So in those, all of those 6 type of nests are there. First one is cup shaped nests, which are made by pigeons and crows, and it is like a cup like structure it is having. So the second one is stitched nest, which is made by the tailor bird, and third one is oval nest, which is made by the oval nest is made by some kind of birds. Next one is hollow nests, which are made by the woodpecker bird. Okay. Next one is platform nest. Platform nest is made by the birds. Next to ground nests, which are made by the penguins by using pebble stones on the ground. Okay. So today the last concept of this lesson that is called as parental care of young birds. It means how a mother bird can take care of its baby bird. So that is called as parental care of young birds. Parental care of young bird. How a parent bird will take care of its baby bird. So when a nest is ready, a mother bird lays eggs in it. When the mother bird prepares its nest, after preparing its nest, what it does, it lays eggs in that nest. It lays eggs in that nest, and both the mother and the father bird takes turn in warming the eggs. See, to warm those eggs, mother bird and also father bird will help there. Okay, so all together, what mother bird and father bird, so being together, they just warm the nest. They warm the eggs, and one of the parents sit on the eggs to keep them warm. So among two of these, what a mother or father, any one bird will sit on those eggs to make them warm, and while the other protects the nest from the enemies. While one bird is sitting on the egg to keep them warm, other bird, it means it's the father bird, what it does, it protects the eggs from the enemies. It stay away. It made the enemies to stay away from these eggs. And when the chicks are fully developed, the egg shells break and chicks come out. This is called hatching. So after warming the eggs, after several days, what will happen? That small baby bird will come out from the egg, and what we called it hatching. Write down the definition of this. What is when the chicks are fully developed, the egg shell breaks. The egg shell break and chicks come out. Chicks come out. So it's called hatching. In simple words ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಒಳಗೆ ಮರಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆದಾಗ ಅದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಡೆದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ chicks are weak and do not have feathers. When that chick will come out of the egg, it is not very strong. And also it is not having wings to fly, because it's very small. As you can see, it is very small, so it is very weak. Even it cannot have feathers to fly. Okay. So what happened there? The parent birds feed them, keep them warm, and protect them from enemies. At that time, when the chick baby is very small, what the parent bird will do, they just take care of that baby. They just take care of that baby, keep them warm, feed them, feed and uta madistava, keep them warm, and also protect them from the enemies. Okay. And when the chicks grow up, when the chicks started to grow up, the parent birds teach them to fly and gather food. Once the chick starts to grow up, what the parent bird will do? Parent bird will teach that baby bird that how to fly and how to gather the food to eat. Okay. So this is how the parent bird will take care of their young ones. Okay. So after all this, the sum of the match the following is there in the page number 146 in this green box. Okay. So let's answer them. What are the answers? Okay. So the first part of this is nest woodpecker. Nest woodpecker. Third one is weaver bird. Weaver bird. Next, tailor bird. And the last one is pigeon. This pigeon. Now opposite side of this is first one is oval nest. Oval nest. Second one is protection. Protection. Cup shaped nest. Next one is hollow nest. Hollow nest. And the last one is stitched nest. So what you have to do is you have to find out the type of nests for this birds. So first one is need nest. Yes, why the birds make the nests? For their protection from the enemies. Yes. And next one is woodpecker. Which kind of nest is having woodpecker? It is having hollow nest. It is having hollow nest. And which kind of weaver bird is having which kind of nest? It is oval nest. And the tailor bird is having stitched nest. And the last one is pigeon is having cup-shaped nest. These are the correct answers. First one is nest is for protection. Woodpecker is having hollow nest. Weaver birds prepare their oval nest. Tailor bird is having stitched nest. And cup-shaped nest is prepared by the pigeons and crows. Okay. So these are the correct answers. Here this lesson is finished today. In the next class we will start the question and answers of this lesson, which are there in present in page number 147 and 148 as well 149. Okay. So we will discuss all of these questions in the next class. Read this lesson for one time and try to answer all of those questions. If you will not get the answer, I will tell you. However, I will tell you the answers in the next class. Okay. Thank you.